Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have SilverCrest brand STSK2 A1 earbuds, wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not syncing with your Bluetooth device, or they're not connecting, or they keep disconnecting, or if you're getting sound only out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you just want to get a fresh start and get these set up as a new set of earbuds, we can go ahead and do that really easily, and we can just get them like they're just coming out of the box. All we need to do is remove one of these earbuds, it doesn't matter the left or the right, from the charging case, and we're going to come in and we're going to press the multifunction button on the back 3 times, bang, 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 until the LED briefly flashes red and white. So then we can insert the previously removed headphone back into the charging case to complete the reset. And then we are going to remove the other headphone from the charging case and basically do the same thing on the other headphone. Blam, blam, blam 3 times until it flashes red and white. Insert that one back in. Now that both headphones are reset, you can take them both out and pair them and sync them as a new set of earbuds.